In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an overlay spin in CapCut. This is a quick, clean technique you can use for logos, stickers, or any graphic you want to rotate smoothly over a background. I'll keep it simple, and I'll give you context along the way so you understand why each move matters. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. If you're on desktop or mobile, the layout may vary slightly, but the tools we'll use have the same names. In a new timeline, make sure your playhead is at the very beginning, so your animation starts precisely where you want it to. Next, add your background image and the object you want to spin. The background goes on the main video track, and your spinning object should be added as an overlay on a track above it. This keeps the object visible on top of the background. Resize and position the overlay where you want the rotation to happen. Center placement feels natural for logos, but you can place it anywhere for creative effects. If the object is too large, scale it down in the viewer, or adjust the transform controls so it looks balanced in the frame. Now, click on the Rotate Keyframe control for your overlay. You'll typically see a diamond-shaped keyframe button near the rotation setting in the editing panel. With the playhead at the start, add your first keyframe. Set the rotation to 0 degrees so you have a clear starting point. This anchors the beginning of the animation. From here, adjust the keyframes to create the spin. Move the playhead forward to the moment where you want the rotation to complete. Half a second for a fast spin, 1 or 2 seconds for a smoother motion. Change the rotation value to 360 degrees for one full turn. CapCut automatically creates a second keyframe, and the software interpolates the motion in between. To speed things up, move the keyframes closer together. To slow it down, spread them apart. If you want multiple spins, increase the angle to 720 or 1080 degrees, or extend the clip duration and add more turns. For smoother acceleration and deceleration, apply easing if your version of CapCut offers it. Ease in and ease out will remove that robotic start and stop. Play back to preview, and fine-tune the timing until it feels right. Make sure the first and last frame align cleanly if you plan to loop the animation so there's no visible jump. That's it. A clean, customizable spinning overlay in CapCut. Try different speeds, angles, and positions to match your project's style, and you'll have a polished animation in minutes.